Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the unboxing and setup of the Wipro Smart extension. So we are going to unbox this and then set it up. So if you are planning to buy this and you want to know how to set it up in your house, how the software is configured. So in this video we'll be doing that. We'll be seeing what you get in this box and then we will be doing the setup. I will be doing a review later on because I just got this. I'm going to use it for some time and then do the review video. So let's go ahead, start with the unboxing. Android, iOS. User manual, quick start guide, Wipro app. Ta-da! Okay, setup. Okay. Nice quality. Power button. That's it. Okay, so let's go ahead and set it up. So to set it up, the process is quite simple. So first of all, you have to connect this to the power source. So I've connected it to the power outlet. Now this button is for switching it on and switching it off. So let me switch this on. You press it on. Press it once and it's on. Now you'll see that red light there, which indicates that it's on. Now you have to go ahead and put it in the pairing mode. So to put it in pairing mode, you have to keep this button pressed. So I'll keep it pressed for around few seconds. Okay, now this is off. Now I'll switch it back on and you see that the blinking light has come. Now the similar process has been shown in the app. So this is the app, the Wipro app. Go ahead and add the device and then choose power strip. Now since I already put it in the pairing mode without the software's help, it's showing over there, but I'll still show you the actual way. Press power strip. It'll ask you for the Wi-Fi to connect. So you have to use the 2 gigahertz network. So the entire Wipro range of products only uses 2 gigahertz, not the 5 one. So in our house, generally we use 5 for everything. 2 is used for devices like this. Now put in your password. Now once you put in the password, go ahead, hit next. Now it will ask you to do this process which I just said. So it will ask you to switch off the device first. Press the power button, this one, and then switch it off. Keep it pressed and that will go off. And then next step is to switch it back on, keep it pressed and wait for the blinking light. So once the blinking light is there, you hit next over here and then it will find it. So this is the one, Wipro Smart extension. I'll press the plus button over here and then it will automatically add it. Now when the Wipro actually adds it, it will automatically get it will get added to Alexa, and if there is a Google Home, it will get added to that. If it's not added, you'll have to add it manually. Now it's done. So it says Wipro Smart.
I don't know that one.
Alexa, stop. So it's added. Now if I want to change the name of it, I can change it over here itself. I can write like Wipro Smart extension. I'll just leave it as that, and then hit done and it's done. So now it should look something like this. So you see the power strip is here. You get all the 4 buttons. So switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4. You can rename them to whatever device you connect to this. Okay, now let's see how to actually use this. So using this is quite easy. You have options of individually switching them on or just switch everything on together. So if you want to switch on everything, you have to press the power button on top, this one, and all of them will switch on. Now you want to switch all of them off, press the same button and it's off. Now you want to switch them on individually. Let me just show you if they're working or not. Let me just connect it to the middle one here and I'll put a charger here so you'll know that it's switching on or off. Now I'll switch on this one there and it's switched on. So I can switch on, switch off individual switch. So I will switch it off now and it's off. So I can switch on, switch off individual switch, or I can control the entire power strip at the same time. So like if you have a TV, Tata Sky, and Google, or a smart TV box, and a speaker system, so 4 buttons together you can switch on, everything goes on. If you just want to use the TV and don't want to switch on the other stuff, you can do that. So all the options are available. The only thing you have to think about is don't use heavy duty stuff on this. So don't put a fridge or a heater or something like that. They will still work, but because they drain a lot of power, that is not recommended for 5 amps or 6 amp devices. You need at least 15 to 16 amps, which are available in different companies, different devices. I even have plugs which are like 16 amp plugs, which are for geysers and fridge and all those things. So you can go for that. This is for smaller devices, so just remember that. Other than that, everything is okay. Now this is just the starting. I've just put it, I'll be using it, I'll be doing a real life review, I'll be making different videos with this. You can go ahead, ask me questions in the testing period. If I've do discover something, I'll make shorts of it and I'll be putting that. And if you want any queries to be answered, you can go ahead, contact me. My information is available in the description and at the end of the video. So that's it for this video. And if you want to see the same video in Hindi or Malayalam, I have 2 other channels. I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment. And I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.